Right now, your septic system relies on anaerobic bacteria that live without added oxygen to break down organic matter. And the anaerobic bacteria produces a black slimy stuff called a biomat and plugs up your septic field. Wastewater can flow through the biomat until it gets too thick, just like a kitchen sponge. Once it's saturated with biomat, it's plugged up. You don't want to spend thousands of dollars and have your yard all dug up for a new field when we can fix your existing field. We convert your system from anaerobic to a more efficient, aerobic environment that thrives with the added oxygen that not only doesn't produce that icky black stuff, it eats it up. We install our aeration remediator in your existing septic tank and add aerobic bacteria that goes to work right away, producing more aerobic bacteria that eats all your septic waste, including the biomat that's been clogging your system. Call us today, 587-744-1122, and we'll come out at no charge and assess your septic system to see if this could work for you.